Hey guys, it's Miss Schloninger, and what we are doing is day 29 in your packet for math. And I'm just going to go through the lesson, and then you will have a chance to do this by yourself and turn it into your teacher. So here I have a bunch of different coins. I have pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. And what we're going to do is we're going to sort these and graph them and then answer a couple questions about the graph. So right here, I can see that they're all jumbled up. They're not in order. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in a nice order. So right here, I organize them. I put all my pennies together. I put my nickels together, my dimes together, and my quarters together. So then it's easier for me to graph it. Now over here, what I did is I put it side by side with my graph so I can be ready to graph it and see all of my different coins organized by the correct one. Now, it's okay if it's on the back or the front as long as they are the correct coin in the correct column. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look and I'm going to see, ooh, how many pennies do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 pennies. So on my graph, I need to do 3 squares up for pennies. And I chose to do a more brown color because that's closest to the color of the penny, but you can do whatever color you want. Now, the next one I need to do is I'm going to count my nickels. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 nickels, so I need to do 4 nickels going up. I can already see in both how I organize them and in my graph that I have 1 more nickel than penny. The next one I'm going to do is my dimes. I did them a little bit different color gray so I can tell the difference between the dimes and the nickels on the graph. And I have 5 dimes. I have 1 more dime than I do a nickel. And then the last one is my quarters, which I can see that I have 2 quarters. So I did 2 quarters. So first I need to organize them from the pile that I was given, and then I will graph it. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we have some questions to answer. So the first question is, which coin do you have the most of? So if I look at my graph, I can see that I have the highest number of dimes. So dimes is the coin that I have the most of. Question number 2 is, which coin do you have the least? Which coin do you have the least? So I'm going to look at which one has the littlest amount, the least amount of coin, and that's my quarter because I only have 2 quarters. Now, question number 3 is, do you have equal sets of coins? So remember, equal means the same as. So do I have any coins that are the same amount as another coin? And I can look and I can see that they all have different amounts. I have 2 quarters, then I have 3 pennies, 4 nickels, and 5 dimes. So I do not have any equal sets of coins. But if I did say I had 2 pennies and 2 quarters, I would say, yes, I do have equal sets. And I would say my pennies and my quarters are equal, but I do not in this amount. But you might when you do this on your own. So if you do, that's okay. And you can say you do because everyone will have different amount. And then also for your exit ticket to turn into your teacher, we want you to do this page by collecting coins around your house or wherever you can find them. If you don't have any coins, you can pause it on the last slide and you can use the screen to do your coin amount. But after you complete your graph and your questions, also complete these 2 questions. I will read them to you, but I want you to complete these on your own. Carly found 10 cents in her piggy bank. What coin or coins did she find in her piggy bank? Show your thinking. So here, tell me what coin or what coins she found in her piggy bank for 10 cents. And the second question is, Carly found 25 cents in her piggy bank. What coin or coins did she find in her piggy bank? So the top one is 10 cents and the bottom one is 25. So I want you to draw or write what coin she found in her piggy bank. If you do not have any coins at home that you can use, you can pause the video on this page and you can use the coins that I have put on the screen for your graph and your questions, which is different than mine. So you can pause it here and use this, or you can go collect your own coins in your house to make your graph.